everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today's video is on this soft frosty pink makeup look. Yeah, so this is the first time I'm introducing myself and the video whilst talking to the camera, and it's very strange and I still need to get used to it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. I'm first taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony to create feathery-like hair strokes. I'm creating a fuller and more straighter shape to match the softer vibe that I'm going for today. I'm then taking some micellar water on a cotton bud to clean up around the edges. Next, I'm concealing my eyelids. And then I'm setting this with some loose powder to prep for eyeshadow. From my Morphe 35N palette, I'm taking this pink shade and applying it all over my lid, making sure to blend it into the crease. Then I'm applying a frosty shimmery pink shade to the base of my lid, focusing on the centre. Then I'm layering the NYX Glitter Primer and this frosty pink pigment to the very centre of my eyelid to add even more of a sparkly pop. Since I'm going for a softer look today, I'm creating a smoky eyeliner with dark brown eyeshadow rather than black liquid. I thought a natural, more fluttery lash style would complement this look, and so I'm taking the Ardell pre-cut wispies and applying those. I'm adding more NYX primer and then applying some glitter on top for some additional sparkle to my lids. Now for the face, I'm applying my usual foundation mixture, but this time with a ratio of 4 drops to 1 pump of foundation. Always make sure your sponge is damp, as this makes blending foundation much easier and also ensures a much more flawless finish. And now I'm highlighting the high points of my face. Today was actually my first time using this Revolution concealer, and because it has a thick consistency, I noticed that it creased on my forehead, which never happens, and I really didn't like that. So in a minute you'll see me blending out the forehead creases and then going straight in with powder to set the product in place and prevent it from creasing again on my skin. And then after using the sponge to set the highlighted areas of my face, I'm taking a big fluffy brush with a bit more powder and setting everywhere else. So again, since I'm going for a softer look today, I'm skipping cream contouring and going straight in with bronzer to add a bit of colour and dimension back into my face. And then I'm following that up with contouring my nose. To tie in with my eyes, I'm taking a baby pink blush colour and applying that to my cheeks. And then going back to the eyes, I'm applying the same pink shade from earlier to my lower lash line. And then using the frosty pink shade from earlier too, but applying it to my tear duct. To finish up the lower lash line, I'm going back in with the NYX Glitter Primer and the sparkly pigment. And then to complete the eyes, I'm applying mascara to my upper and lower lashes. As always, I'm using an eyeliner to go over my beauty spot. And then I'm highlighting my face with a combination of these two Colourpop highlighters. Starting with the shade Wisp, which I like because it creates a nice natural glowy effect to my skin. And then I'm applying the shade Whipped on top to create an even more intense highlight, and I thought it went perfectly with this look because it has little pink and blue flecks of glitter in it. Now we're moving on to lip liner, but as you can see the pencil's broken and so I'm having to hold it right at the tip, which isn't ideal, but we're doing it, so I'm lining my lips with that. And then I tried applying this liquid lipstick from Inglot, which just wasn't working. It kept leaving streaks on my lips, and although the colour was perfect, I was not liking the look of it. And so after trying to persevere with adding another shade on top, I decided to take it all off and just go back in with my lip liner and then that collection lipstick on top. And then to lighten the lips a little bit to match the eyes, I'm applying this baby pink lip gloss from Benefit. To finish up this makeup look and to set everything in place, I'm applying my I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in the scent Vanilla and Coconut. And then for an even more dewy look, I'm following up with my fave. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give it a like and a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!